Now we welcome the new video. I'm Shahid Islam from the istema pandal. And look at this. This time is the Salatul Jahar. And Salatul Jahar is Azan already published. And people are there, they publish. And they're taking to prepare the Salatul Jahar because the main governing board is spreading this time for Salatul Jahar. And they're gathering, they're forgetting this family support. They're forgetting their family support. They're forgetting their happiness. All they're sacrificing. Here the contested area. They are the very difficult to living. This is the open places. They are this staying when the rain was dropping in the heavily in the winter season. But the people never live in this place. They love only Allah. They are coming here for only the love to Allah, only the love to their Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are sacrificing their life. Now where they come out, this main pandal. Look at this, how to gatherings, how much the gathering here. It's very difficult outgoing. Because of the huge people in gathering here.
যাতা দানি শুনি আস্তে আস্তে লাগাই না গরম ছড়তে হবে ভাই লাগাই না গরম হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে বলো না আধা ঘন্টা বিরতি দিলে হাউস ধরে যাবে
Oh. Hey, Adam kita. Some people and they stay on the road. Their instructions. When you are walking and this road, you should follow the right side of the road. You should follow the right side of the road. এখানে হারিয়ে যাওয়ার সবচেয়ে জায়গা না আমরা হারিয়ে দেবো চলে দেবো আমরা বাসায় খোঁজাখুঁজি নাই চলে দেবো এটা মানে দুপুরকার জন্য নাকি রাতের জন্য the cooking here the meat and only the 3 times and the morning night and day the lunch and dinner
3 বেলা 45 জন 3 বেলা
and the 40 people they are curry and the cooking because of they are the loving of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are the believing only can imitations from the world the seen and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If the Allah granted my the prayer and if Allah granted my sacrifice and these places